Okay, folks, in this video lesson, we're looking at two examples for solving a one-step linear equation. So an introduction type video on solving equations. So in the format here of a letter plus a number equals a number, or a letter minus a number equals a number. So this first one, we got w, which is our variable, plus 8 is equal to 13. Work out the value of w. Now, hopefully we know by looking at it, hopefully most of us here that are watching the video will know that w is equal to 5. But I want us to have a systematic approach, okay, a way of actually solving the problem, okay, so when they do get harder, we have a process to follow rather than say, okay, that's the answer for that, okay, because if I said to you, let's say, I don't know, I had 2w minus 15 equals 70, okay, or 700, let's say, as an example, then that is going to be harder to do in your head, right? So our process is to have a method. So here we've got a plus 8 on the left-hand side. So to get rid of that, okay, I'm going to subtract 8 on both sides, okay, because that will get rid of the plus 8 on the left-hand side. The left-hand side now becomes just w, okay, or 1 not w, or 1w is equal to 13 minus 8. 13 subtract 8 is 5. So w equals 5 is our answer, okay? So we solved the equation by rearranging for the variable for the letter, okay? We did the inverse operation for that, and that is solving question number 1. Next up, n minus 4 is equal to 6. Work out the value of n. Again, hopefully we know the answer is going to be 10. But again, let's use a systematic approach, a process to solve it. So what's the opposite of subtracting 4 or minusing 4 or negative 4? It's going to be to plus 4 or add 4, right? So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. The left-hand side becomes just n is equal to 6 add 4, and 6 plus 4 is, of course, 10. So n is equal to 10 is our answer. And again, we are able to use any letter, n, w, x, y. Normally we use x's and y's normally for equations, okay? But yeah, you're able to use any letter, and that is solving a one-step linear equation for Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, and 11 plus in GCSE Maths Foundation tier. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, so try this question. Let's say I've got w minus 15 is equal to 60. Okay, I want you to solve for w, okay, and drop your answer, okay, in the comments below, and I'll aim to respond, hopefully, within a 24-hour window to a 48-hour window. Okay, so it's currently early hours on Saturday morning, okay, on the 18th of July. So I will respond hopefully at the latest by Monday morning, if not before. But I usually respond within a 12-hour window. But I just say 24 here just to allow time in case I'm preoccupied with other things. So yeah, try this question, guys. And if you want more practice, head over to corbetmaths.com, okay, for solving equations, or just literally Google, okay, type in Google, solve equations or solve one-step equations, okay, and then put PPT or PDF at the end, okay, and it will come out with, yeah, like a list of PDF questions, okay, for you to practice. There are loads of free ones out there. Yeah, don't bother paying for it. Use the free ones while you can. I mean, if you can afford to pay them, by all means, there are some fantastic as well, okay, paid ones, but I always recommend you use Corbett Maths because that's completely free. Use First Class Maths, use Hannah Kettle Maths, use My GCSE Maths. Okay, there's quite a few others here. Use Maths Genie, use Maths Made Easy, although they have some premium or some paid resources. But yeah, I recommend Maths Genie, okay, and Corbett Maths, okay, and Maths Watch for free worksheets for Key Stage 2, Key Stage 3, and GCSE Maths.